Hey guys, sorry if it's dark. I got no seats. I'm trying to figure out why the car won't start. I'm not sure if that's the reason, but it just seems silly for that to be the reason. I blew a fuse not too long ago. I was installing my audio system and I connected the remote wire to the ground wire by accident. I couldn't get the amp to turn on, so I started getting impatient and I accidentally pulled it while the battery was turned on and shorted the system. Made the audio fuse over here blow. I checked both boxes in the engine bay and all fuses seem to be alright. Looking in here, everything seemed to be good up until I blew the fuse, because now the head unit won't turn on. But when I go to turn this guy on, these guys turn on. If I turn on the emergency lights, they blink. But yeah, the head unit definitely seems like it's blown. Sucks. I just got this fucker. That's what happens when you're impatient. But anyway, I'm trying to figure out why now the car just flat out won't start. I just went to get it charged because I've been playing with the engine or the audio installation for so long that I've been turning on and off the battery, so I figured I needed to go charge the battery, so I just got back from there. Now check out what happens when I try to turn it on. I don't know if you could tell, but it definitely pulled and almost seemed like it turned over. And as I gave it gas, it even seemed like it was reacting to my pressing on the fuel. But nothing happens. I can't figure out why. See that? It almost, and like it's going a lot further. Before it would do that and die. That was before I put in the radio adapter. So now this is what I'm left with. I know it's hard to tell because here, let me see if I can turn that guy off. But I mean, I don't know what to look at anymore. I got a OBD2 reader that check engine lights on because I took out the battery for longer than 24 hours, so the only code is a P0360 or something like that. I can give you all the code later. Yeah, it'd be great if you guys could help me out, man. Check it out. Sucks. Thanks, guys.